If you are looking for something fun for your little ones to do besides be on the screens or a great gift, this is absolutely awesome. This is an activity book for kids ages 3 to 5. There's 120 plus activities in here. I'm going to walk you through the book, show you all the different activities. This thing is really cool, really well made. I've gotten ones like this in the past, and the paper quality and kind of it was just like cheap. That is not this one at all. So let's take a look at there. Really appreciate that fact here. Nice cover right over here. You got right here, this book belongs to. Put the name in there, which is nice. And then let's take a look inside here. So you could do, it has all sorts of different types of activities. We got a little bit connect the dots over here. We have tracing. There is 120 activities in here. We got the I Spy over here. Let's count. Just lots of great activities. Spot the differences. This was always my favorite one. Really, really well made. Lots of different options with this one too. They go both ways. Really nice paper quality on this as well. And you'll just see there's just so many different activities. Connect the dots. They range from like easy to a little bit more difficult. You could just kind of go back and forth. Just really, really well made. Great paper quality. You have all the different activities you could do here. So if you are looking for a great activity book for a little one in your life or a great gift for someone, definitely check this out. It's great. Works well with markers, crayons, colored pencils, normal pencils, pens, all that kind of stuff. Really, really well made, high quality. Definitely would recommend this. And a huge thank you to the author for sending this over so I could do this review.